My dumb ass cannot get this fucking shit open. It's a huge problem. I'm gonna try to use tools on it now. It will no fucking open. It will no open. Wow, there's a lot of you right now. How's everybody? Jesus. You gotta blow in here. Okay, so I don't know if it's a girl thing that I can't get this shit open or if it's just fucking stupid. So, I just woke up and then, I have a really interesting story. All day I had a dream that I was gonna get to the vape store and then I didn't, and then I bitterly regretted it. And then I woke up and I saw that there was only like 18 minutes left to get to the vape store, and I made it. So there, it was fucking awesome. And I blew in. There was like 1 minute left, and I'm like, I did it. He's like, what? I'm like, yeah, fuck yeah, fuck yeah. But like now I can't get it open. So what was the point exactly? Somebody please come over and open this for me. So now I think I'm just gonna go ham on it. Like, I have these little scissors now. I'm gonna just fucking. Anybody have any advice? Right, so probably tonight. I think tonight's the night. I'm not gonna make a TikTok tonight. I'm going to write a story on my Patreon. It's the story of what I was thinking about right before I made the "Do you ever worry you're retarded? No one's telling you" video. And it's a doozy, guys. This is vape juice, Micah. It's weird, Micah Pillar. I was just thinking about Michael Pillar. That's so fucking weird. And how he died of head and neck cancer, which is the cancer that is most closely associated with zinc deficiency, actually. So if you're related to Michael Pillar, you might want to take some zinc. Michael Pillar, of course, I'm referring to the Star Trek Next Generation producer and one of the writers. He wasn't the best writer, though. Jerry Taylor was the best writer. Michael Pillar kind of fucking sucked, and he was dumb. Totally. Brilliant. Weird. With you. Now I got that song stuck in my head. Fuck. God damn it. There's this guy, Sean Angus. He does karaoke lives on TikTok sometimes. He was doing it this morning before I fell asleep. So now I have a bunch of songs stuck in my head. Yeah, man, totally. Yeah, everybody can still find. I'm leaving it up for forever, probably on my Instagram stories. My instructions for zinc supremacy. You'll have a better life in general if you follow those instructions. But don't. Oh, I forgot to mention that the zinc superloading instructions are only proven safe for 2 to 4 months. So, but if you wanted to just do it all for November, that's fine. Speaking of, I haven't taken it yet today. Did anybody have any questions about zinc supremacy? Anybody? Today I got followed by a Carolyn Constner. That's pretty exciting. She's a. If you don't know who that is, she makes videos on YouTube that are just green screen and sort of like abstract. It's pretty good. They're like comic. So, what's that, man? Everybody. Okay, I almost got it. I almost got this thing open. Oh, I did it. Okay, so I got this shitty lid off. Now we can just unscrew it. Hey, Reese. Just answer your question there. Hi, Sim. I am 112 years old. Oh, 112 and a half. Anyway, we just passed my half birthday. Hey, Raymond Rockstar. Okay, so now I got pomegranate vape juice. Hey, Reese, when are you gonna switch to vaping? Do you even have vaping in England? I'm just gonna be shitting on you. Yahtzee, we did it. What is the origin of the word Yahtzee? Thank you, I assume. That's very nice of you. Thank God. Okay, I need a new coil soon. Now I need to look up the origin of the word Yahtzee. But now, of course, his lid's kind of broken, but that's okay because I can use one of the other ones that was actually functional, like this one. Put it right on there. Oh, nothing to say, Reese? Alright, fine. He doesn't want to. He doesn't want to switch to vaping. It's too English. I don't know what that means. Hey, are you gonna? When are you gonna be a skinhead, Reese? Can you still do that? Boots and braces. You listen to what's his name? Harry J. Yeah. Reese. Okay. That's the only one I know. Except I was listening to what was it called? Shit. The other day, the guy I linked in the story, he's got the really thick glasses, and he was in a band called. I don't know. Sweet Raymond. Did you post pics? Nice. Was that your first time shaving your head? It's fucking cool. Well, I hope I inspired that at least in some small part. That makes me really happy. Hey, Rapface. You ready to get crazy? I bet you are. Oh, hey, I bought a minute steak. But something tells me that it's going to take a little longer than a minute in this skillet. But it's called a minute steak. Wealthy Canadian couple to play aboard their yacht. Yeah. It tracks. You need a haircut. Cut it yourself. You don't want to go to a fucking hairdresser, man. Okay. Hairdressers and fucking dental hygienists. Those are two professions that people don't enter those professions to do the profession. They enter the profession to be gossips, which, of course, for an autist, is your worst fucking nightmare. To be stuck in this chair, and this bitch is doing something, and she just wants to gossip, and it's like the worst day of your life. And you cannot subject yourself to that shit. Yeah, fuck hair. I mean, fuck hair. Hair is stupid. But hey, holy hand grenades, what up? We're all becoming skinheads today, and we're gonna be listening to Harry J and the All Stars. And those of you who are skinny enough for it will be wearing braces. I personally do not need them because it would be hilarious because my hips are wide enough to hold up anything. So, but if I was all straight up and down, I'd be wearing braces, which is what they are for. But no, I love following these skinhead hashtags on Instagram. These pics are like so cool all the time. They're always fucking cool. Wow, Ramface is having a 90s kind of day, guys. We got the Butthole Surfers in Wien on cue. Eric's Deli Cafe. That sounds awesome. I bet you Eric will bring you a plate of pickles before your meal. Will you, Eric? I would love that right now, actually. Fuck. I should have got some pickles. I'm going to go to Eric's Deli Cafe and get a plate of pickles. And then he's going to bring me some assorted meats. And it's just going to be really great. I have walked out of there feeling pretty good. I also had some crazy thoughts yesterday about being attached to a crumb in a blanket of dark matter. It sounds fucking awesome. I'm jealous. Good work, Ramface. Yes, ma'am. Got it. All right, I'm coming over to your Eric's Deli Cafe. Wait a minute. What the fuck is that? I've only ever seen Eric spelled like that once before. Somebody across the street fucking neighbor. Is it? I can't tell from your profile picture. Better not be you. If it's you, Eric, from across the street, get the fuck out of my life. Hey, Sean, Sean, if I put you in the live, then I can't download it later, and I can't put it up on the thing. And we can do it, but like it doesn't download, and it won't. Maybe it will go up on the thing, but I can't download it. Think about it. Maybe I don't need this one downloaded. I don't know. Some 5D creatures are chewing inside their cosmic mouth. That makes sense, round face. Yep. But I already said some pretty good shit in this live, so I think I need to download it so I can put it on YouTube for all time. So I think yeah, man. No, we'll do a live together one day though. Just whenever I give good advice in a live, I don't feel like letting it die. Like I put it up on YouTube. We're writing a rap, okay? Why is everybody asking me how old I am today? This hasn't happened before. I'm telling you. How about I put my age up on my Patreon, and then you can. Right. So for those of you who just got here, I am putting up some of my more traumatizing stories on Patreon, but it's all really like crazy shit. And the reason I'm paywalling it is just so people who don't care won't get to read it, and that hopefully that takes down on the mockery, you know. Yeah, I'm 112. What are your thoughts on microdosing LSD? I have not tried it. I've always planned to. I think I'm still not in a healed up enough state to do that safely. Like I would have bad trips and but we used to call that people who got the brown acid. We don't want that. You mentioned the 90s. I was born in 85. Cool. Respectable. Yes. I realized that some people do not know the awesomeness that was the 90s. I don't know. To me, like I have nothing but bad memories from the 90s. So it's hard for me. Like I remember the vibes though. I remember how it felt. Thanks, Sean. Yeah, Serious Mo is a fucking good deal, man. You can rock out for the rest of your life on his canon. It's awesome. Yeah, but see, with me and my frontal lobe damage and everything else that's going on with me, I still think it's not safe for me to take acid. Like one day, but not right now. I've always known that it wasn't the right time. Just somehow I've always known that. I don't know. So right now here it's kind of cold and getting pretty dark pretty early. Like when I went to the vape store at 6 p.m. it was pitch fucking black outside. Oh yeah, you two know each other. It's right from that one fucking live. Scared trip again. Yes, Ratface, that is wise to. If you don't think you're in the right state of mind trip, then just don't fucking do it. Seriously, you don't know what you're gonna do. You know. Yeah, so Sean Angus, I fell asleep right after your live and woke up like just now, like an hour ago. And I got up, I got to the vape store because I had dreams all day about not getting to the vape store on time and how bad it felt. And I woke up, I had 18 minutes to get there, and I made it. Bye, Raymond. Have a good day. Huss, the bus, the Huss joined. No Nilla joined. So, how long would you guys, okay, so say I have a cast iron skillet, okay, which I do, and I want to cook a minute steak in it, which is mechanically pre-tenderized, and, be safe, what do you mean? Oh, to the guy leaving, right. Okay, so but I don't have a meat thermometer. Everything good with my house? Why? Seems like it's still standing. There's been a lot of moisture. The sump pump is going off a lot. And it's scaring me a lot. And it makes noises in my TikToks and it bothers me. Anyway, so I was gonna cook this minute steak later, and I have enough vitamin C chewables to make sure the iron absorbs. But how long would you guys leave a minute steak in a cast iron skillet, say on a low heat? Because I'm still doing low heat stuff to avoid AGEs. Cook it until it's done. Yeah, fuck man. Like, but okay, I don't know how long that is. Okay, like I don't have a meter on her, so. I mean, how bad can it be? I guess. You guys all think I'm a really good chef. I'm not. Like, I'm just like, I'm just, I can do it. That's all. Like, but I'm not some major chef or anything. There goes the sump pump again. I'm making ugly noises. Why everybody asking me how old I am today and they never asked before? It's weird. It's weird. I am of mind that all food is poison. Well, a lot of it is. Grains are poison. Legumes are poison. Sugar is poison. Mm. I mean, there's a lot of poison in food. Anything processed, pretty much. I mean, our generation and the one before was led to believe that fat was evil, which is a huge problem, and then it dried up our brains. We didn't eat enough fat for our brains to work, and now we're all fucking stupid. Really? Old cowboy on YouTube. Okay, so what do I look up? Cowboy cast iron? Maybe I'll check it out and say to him, hey, what's that to a cow puncher? What is that to a cow puncher? Yeah, I like eating once a day too. I do not. I'm wondering. I consistently don't hit my caloric minimum. Like, I don't know what to say about that. It's just too hard, basically. Okay, sweet. What you guys calling him? Rap face? He's rap face. I do myself not to eat all the time. No, I crave food. Well, I mean, like once you switch your diet to like paleo clean eating for a couple of weeks, you don't crave garbage anymore. It's just gone. You don't give a fuck. You can walk past that a box of store bought cookies if that's what your thing is. It was never really my thing. But if you are a person like that who eats those which are really toxic, you can just walk right by them and you won't give a fuck. I worry about people who eat store bought cookies. It's one of those things I worry about. I'm like, don't do that, man. Don't eat that. Don't eat them things. Don't do it. His name's Rap Face now, apparently. Yeah, I know. I'm nervous too. I'm scared. Yeah, I can. Although personally, I couldn't stand anymore fasting anymore. I've done it because I was poor, and also fasting is great for dudes, but it is completely contraindicated for females of reproductive age. Like we're not supposed to be doing it at all. How do I feel about hot pockets? I don't fucking feel anything about hot pockets, man. Just get rid of. I don't like them. I don't think I ever liked hot pockets. I heard Trazone works as a trip killer. Trazodone works as a trip killer. Yeah, why would you want to do that though? Why are we killing trips? That sounds horrible. It sounds like the worst thing you could do. You have to go if you're having a bad trip, you have to make it through. Okay? That's all. You can't just stop that thing halfway through, you get all fucked up. That's like watching a movie and stopping in the middle and then never watching it again, but you were really interested in it. It's not good. Don't fucking do that shit. Right, so tonight I don't think I will make a TikTok. I think I will write that shit. And again, I'm just paywalling it so that people who don't care won't see it. I agree, and also because I would like to buy food. So, of course, if it works, that money won't come in until like December 1st, but still. Oh, yeah, December 1st? Does anybody have any, just wake me up a little bit, help me wake up. I need to be, doing science, I think. Oh my god. Tomorrow I'm getting more lines made, which I am really looking forward to. Isn't it weird that we're all staring into a glowing box and understanding each other's transmissions? Yeah, no, it's great. This is living in the quantum realm. Don't worry about it. What are my favorite film directors? I don't know. I have a lot of those, I guess. I am. I realized that I need to do a Kurosawa rewatch across the board because, like, uh, today somebody was asking for recommend. Yesterday somebody asked me for recommendations. I'm like, well, you've seen all of the classics. And she's like, no, I haven't. I'm like, well, and then I was trying to tell her how to get into Kurosawa, and I said I think my favorite movie was The Bad Sleep Well from him, and I realized I haven't fucking rewatched that movie in 14 years, and I don't remember most of it, which is a problem, and I need to get back to it. Like I have this box set that I bought. I don't know when. It happens to still be at this house. I bought it 10 years ago. It's called Post-War Kurosawa, and it has a film in it called I Live in Fear, and I'm going to be watching that next. It was sort of like before Kurosawa became Kurosawa, but he was still Kurosawa. Sort of like a formative period. Also keeping in mind that Kurosawa is not just Kurosawa; he was a whole crew of people who you can look up, and they all have really cool stories. So, yeah. Um, 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 I mean, there's a lot of good directors. There's a lot of shitty directors. I think it was a cat in another life because I was stepping outside my body and observing. Okay, I mean that's possible. Do I like the Matrix? I guess it's been a while. That's so sad. Yeah, truth be told, I rarely make it through a whole documentary without getting fucking. Did you guys try to watch Tell Me Who I Am? Holy fuck, I did not.